Focus. There you go. That's a good one. Wow.
That's about 8 I made it out.
Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a mule? A mule is an animal with long, funny ears, picks up at anything he hears.
His back is brawny, but his brain is weak. He's just plain stupid with a stubborn streak.
And by the way, if you hate to go to school, you may grow up to be a mule.
Or would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar and be better off than you are?
Or would you rather be a pig?
A pig is an animal with dirt on his face. His shoes are a terrible disgrace. He has no manners when he eats his food. He's fat and lazy and extremely rude.
But if you don't care a feather or a fig, you may grow up to be a pig.
Or would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar and be better off than you are?
Or would you rather be a fish?
A fish won't do anything but swim in a brook. He can't write his name or read a book. To fool the people is his only thought. And though he's slippery, he still gets caught.
But then if that sort of life is what you wish, you may grow up to be a fish. A new kind of jumped up slippery fish, and all the monkeys aren't in the zoo.
Every day you meet quite a few.
So you see, it's all up to you. You can be better than you are. You could be swinging on a star.
Oh, look at the golf course. Flooded. Flooded, flooded, flooded.
When it rains, we even have a water hazard.
In between, you got to spread joy up to the maximum, bring gloom down to the minimum. Have faith or pandemonium, liable to walk upon the scene.
To illustrate his last remark, Jonah in the whale, Noah in the ark. What did they do just when everything looked so dark?
Man that said we better accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative. Like John, do the affirmative, don't mess with Mr. In Between. No, do not mess with Mr. In Between. Do you hear me?
Oh, listen to me, chillin' and you will hear about the eliminating of the negative and an accent on a positive.
Gather round me, children, if you're willing, and sit tight while I start reviewing the attitude of doing right.
You gotta accentuate the positive feeling, eliminate the negative, latch on to the affirmative. Don't mess with Mr. In Between.
Got to spread joy,
Up to the maximum,
bring gloom
down
to the minimum.
then
Otherwise,
Otherwise.
pandemonium liable to walk upon the scene.
to illustrate
Well, illustrate.
my last
You
remark.
got the floor.
Jonah
in the whale, Noah in the ark.
What did they say?
What did they say?
Say when everything looks so dark. Man, they said we better accentuate the positive feeling, minus the negative. Latch on.
Gorgeous sunset over the Gulf of Mexico, about 20 miles away from here. Praise the Lord.
Wow, what a hit. Let's go find my ball. First we gotta go down the little hill where I hit from and down into this little ravine. Now we gotta go back up another little hill. This is called the Danger Zone course. Let's see, that ball went way back here. Where did it go? There it is, right there. Let's see, we'll sort of zoom in here. Right there. Shot from way back there. Oops. Ladies and gentlemen, I just shot one of the best shots of my golfing career at 50 years of age. I shot the ball from right here. And I'll take you all the way down the hole. Oops. But I'll walk you down, but I made it all the way down there to that blue flag. It's just 7 feet short of it. And we'll take a shot walking the pathway down there. So here I go. Over the river and through the woods. To get my ball I go. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Well, it's taking a while to get down there, so I gotta think of something, so thought I'd sing a song first. Oh, let's see. As you can see, there's our nice golf course that we Weeded out all the weeds, cut them down. Did a lot of work. Not done yet. It rained really hard this morning and there's a bunch of water down there, so we got a nice water hazard. So let's get back down the path here. Well, we're about halfway. That's about 135 yards from that tee down to the hole. And I went over this retention pond. It was a nice straight shot over this way. It was a beautiful shot. Nice high up in the air using a 7-iron. It's a Stratos 7-iron. I'll show you while we're walking. This is the one. Really like this club a lot. Got it for $20. Well, a bunch of clubs with it too. 20 bucks from a guy who lives over here named Jose. But as you can see, we're coming up on my ball. And look! It's only 7 feet from the hole. Isn't that awesome? Turn around and show you one time where it came from. Way down there. Praise the Lord. Let's see where that ball went. Here we go. Okay, enough of the car sound effects. Or actually a motorcycle. Here we go down the trail. Beautiful day, isn't it? Wonderful clouds. Well, I hit that ball, kind of like a low liner. It was up in the air a little bit, but it had a nice slice to the right. It wasn't a bad slice, because I first sort of hooked it, and then it sort of straightened out by the slice. So if you can figure that one out, I had a good shot. It's just, you know, pros can do that. They can hook a ball and turn it into a slice and ends up going straight, you know. Not saying that I'm a professional, but I would say that I'm a pretty good amateur playing here on the Blue Heron course. Okay, well, let's see. Been looking for my ball. Where did that O2 purple precip ball go? The ball's white, but the writing on it's purple. There's the flag. I wonder if it's in the hole. Woo-wee! That's a nice shot. Oh my, I see my ball. There it is. Let's zoom in. That's my ball I just hit. That was a pretty good shot. Pretty good. Can we read the writing on it? No. Well, let's see. Just show you where this ball ended up. Right near the flag. Good shot, Drew.
When I see the Alabama, that's where you stop your train. I remain permanently there.
In the funeral, folks, I want to announce the engagement of my daughter Peggy to Homer Ashcraft. A big oil man.
Yes, sir. I'm losing a great pal.
No, you ain't, Jim. We'll always be pals.
Listen, Listen, miss. Me and Homer, we was raised together. Why, we fought side by side for 11 years through grammar school.
And 12 years through high school.
How many years off for good behavior?
They'd have graduated in July if the schoolhouse hadn't burned down.
And how?
Why not have the wedding after he graduates?
You'll be an old maid if you wait that long.
Now,
You and he and you, one and one are always two. Won't you tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one? You're so smart, he's so dumb. It takes two to do this. Someone tell us, hon. Someone tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one. When you're going down to Parson Brown and bring his children when the knot is tied. Multiply but don't divide. Won't you tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one? She's so sweet and he's so sour.
let's do something else. What do you think?
Peggy! Hello, darling. Everything is arranged for our elopement. I'll be back at 4 o'clock this afternoon to get you, and we'll get married. Gosh, we'll be happy, won't we?
Yes.
And we'll go to Niagara Falls for our honeymoon.
Oh.
Pardon the intrusion. Now, don't forget, 4 o'clock this afternoon, huh? Goodbye.
Bye.
Gosh, I'm so happy I forgot. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Now listen. Homer, wait a minute. Take it easy, old man.
Drink this, Homer.
Wait a minute, Homer. Now you'll feel better.
All right, boys, play something.
Walk right in and turn around and walk right out again.
Something for Homer to sing.
Oh, yeah.
Sing, Homer. You're all right.
Say, do you know roses bring dreams of you? Roses, roses, roses
What's wrong?
What's the matter, Homer?
Hey, drink this.
Take that drink.
Hey, you feel better, Homer?
Try it again, Homer.
Here, Homer. Hey, Homer, Peggy, Homer.
Homer, what's the matter with... Take it off my body. Oh, I'm trying to. Well, please get...
Meet you outside. Yes.
The body.
Peggy, come here.
Gee, you're certainly falling for her.
Oh, well, she's a darn good kid.
See? Say, Homer, you're playing a little rough.
Oh, I'll treat her gently.
Gosh, I'd like to marry her myself.
Oh, you would, eh?
Yeah, Say, did you mean that?
I meant every bit of it. You bet I did.
You're sure?
I know it, I did. There's nobody can give it to me. Now, you son.
Wait a minute. According to Howell.
To me.
According to anybody, I don't care.
We've been pals 20 years, Jim.
Yeah? Well, this is where friendship ceases.
Yes?
Yeah.
You can bet your whiskers it does.
This is going to hurt me more than it is you.
Yeah, but not in the same spot.
Maybe not.
Now, go ahead. Ah! Say, hit where you're looking.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I
eh?
did.
Well.
Oh, hey, listen, Homer, you a little bit. Homer, cut it out, will you now? Homer, I told you to cut it out, will you? Say, listen, I don't care what you do. I'll bet you that you...
Hey, Peggy, come here. Darn you. Hey, Peggy, come here. Well, I'll get you. Don't worry, quick. Here he comes. Quick, jump. Hey, you hear me?
Oh.
Don't worry, get out. Get me the light. Put that cover back on.
Do I marry your daughter, Peggy?
No.
All right, no marriage, no cover, and you try to make me put it back on. Goodbye.
Come back here, come back. Down you out of the Lord. Help! Mark! Kidnappers! What's the matter? Get me out of this! What happened? What happened? Come on! I'm trying. The Johnstown flood! Hey, what happened? What happened? They've eloped! Who? Peggy's eloped! Phone the sheriff! Come on, Homer! Get the deputies, too! All right, I'll call the militia! Hey! Listen! I'm your father, and I forbid the marriage! Come on, Homer! What off! What's the matter? I don't know! Well, jacked up! Well, get her off! Well, get those chairs! Hey, Peggy! Peggy, come back here! Homer, come on! Hey, you down there killed me! I can't worry about that now! That's that! Oh, he's too low by now! Hey, I'm insured! What are you trying to do? Back up!
Pardon me, where's Justice Brown? Yes, we want to get married the worst way.
Yes.
He's at the country club.
Thanks very much.
Gosh, here they are now. Hurry up, let's get out of here.
We'll get him in. Get off that damn it, get your leg out of that. Well, it's far, man. Get it up. Come on, so what? Oh,
We'll hide in the barn with the cow.
Let's get out of the way. Let's hurry.
The milkman's here.
Keep very quiet.
I will. What are you doing?
Quiet. Take a hold of this.
What for?
Put it down below.
All right. It's working.
That's great.
Come on, Lucy. Loosen up. Do I have to get a stick to you? Come on now.
Hey, say, did they come this way?
Huh?
Did they come this way?
Oh, yes. She weighs about 800 pounds.
No. Did you see a boy and girl together?
Yes, it's beautiful weather.
There ain't no use talking to him, you darned old fool, yeah?
Yes, I am, too.
Oh.
Must be a couple hunters.
Boy, that was a close shave.
Come on, doggone you. Oh, Lucy, forgive me, Lucy.
heavens, dear! The engine's dead!
Well, we better get on, my dear!
All right, don't worry, now I'm trying to...
Whoa! I can't get out of here, my skirt's caught! Why don't you do it?
Get nervous! I'll open it! Oh, there goes the handle! The handle's off! Wait, now, stop it! Stop! He won't stop! He won't jump!
Whoa! Oh, stop it! Stop that hurry!
Jump! Quick! Hurry up! Jump over!
I can't get over here! Hurry up!
We almost lost each other that time!
There it is!
We'll take the shortcut. Hurry! We'll get him!
Where is Justice Brown? You'll find him in the locker room. Thank you. Darling, you wait right here and I'll be right back. Don't worry.
Where's Justice Brown?
Why, he's over there.
I want to get married right away. You'll have to wait till I get out of here. There's no time to lose. Get married. You can't do that. You can't do that. I'm in enough of a hurry. You have to get right out.
Listen, you look that way and I'll look this. Oh, hey, did you see a young couple?
One.
No, two. A young couple.
One.
No, two. Ouch.
Has anyone seen a golf ball?
No, I'm a stranger here. Oh! Ah, good grief. Ouch! Ah! 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 What the? Hey, listen! What's the trouble? These are my pants! 60,000 of them!
I won't do this. It's all right.
Please!
Well, all right. Will someone please act as witness? Yes, please, gentlemen. Hurry up now.
Here, gonna be. Get my coat. Get my coat. Oh, I got him. All right, now. I got him. Give me a drink. Sure, right here. I can know. Get my pants off. Go back. Hey, Poor belly down all the time, too. I got him. Great.
That's all. Do you intend to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Yes.
Don't stop.
Don't pay any attention, Judge. Never mind him. Don't worry about him.
danger! Who's this fellow? Who's this guy? I got them all! Right, open that door!
Pronounce you. Judge, come back here. Wait a minute.
Where's everybody? Where's everybody?
I never think such a sight. It's awful.
Did you get him too?
Oh, sure.
I want to speak to you. I'm through with the engagement and I want my ring.
Is that so?
Yes, you old fuzzy face.
Huh?
I'm going back to Oklahoma.
Go back to high school. And never darken my doors again. If you was your last fellow on earth, you wouldn't marry.
Oh, Judge, come back here. You haven't finished.
Oh, finish it, please.
I pronounce you man